Hi everyone, welcome back to the Mama Elephant October release. This is Rena. Today we have a new sentiment stamp set with coordinating dies and 2 holiday themed die sets. Remember to leave a comment on these release videos for a chance to enter a drawing to win a prize from Mama Elephant. The release will be available on October 15th, and we are kicking off this release with Everything Nice. So let's take a look at Everything Nice. I adore this sentiment stamp set. I had a lot of fun stamping it out in pink, but you can stamp it out in any color you want. And it has little mini sentiments that you can use alone or with the larger image. I think my favorite one from all the sentiments is the Sending You a Little Sparkle, and I really like the little mini sentiments. I used 2 of them just standalone on a tag and it looks so good. Each of the larger sentiments has a coordinating die, and I am loving this concept. Sometimes I don't want to use like a sentiment strip, or I don't want to adhere it directly, stamp it directly on the card, because there might be, the card might be a little busy. But when you cut it out this way with the coordinating dies, there's a white outline, so it makes it stand out really nice. Here is a look at Hexatag Creative Cuts, and this makes 2 different looking tags, and I love the different layering that you can do with this. It also has a built-in tag at the top. This is Mega Snowflake cover. I think you're getting so much from this die set. You have the frame tag, which has a sparkle cloud pattern on it, which is nice in and of itself. And it also comes with this larger scale snowflake with different layering options that you can do. There are so many layering combinations that you can use with that snowflake portion of the die. I made a shaker card, and then I also made a non-shaker card too. But all of the different elements are nice to use also standalone. You don't have to use all of the different dies all together all at once. We're going to first stamp out Everything Nice, and I'm stamping out all of the larger sentiments, and you can use any color you want, any ink you want. I wanted to do pink. I was on a pink kick this release, not sure why, but I'm stamping it out in pink, and these are the ones that have the coordinating die set that will cut this out, and I just love it. So here's what they look like, and I just love the look of that. I always want to fussy cut around my sentiments, but then I end up not doing it because it's just a little bit hard because of all the different letters, and this makes it so easy to have that look. Next, we're going to take a look at Hexatag, and you can see it has that built-in holder at the top, which is really nice. It comes with these solid pieces, and you have 2 different options for the front. You can have a little landscape or a snowflake. For the snowflake portion, you have to take the snowflake part of it and die cut it at the same time as the back part. So here is what it looks like layered. It's so easy to put together. You can definitely make a shaker with this. You would have to cut out the fronts multiple times and stack them. But this is so cute. I love how there's that peek through, and you can use different colors of cardstock in the background or do some ink blending. But here are the 2 options, and I love the little snowflake. It also comes with a little tree, a little tiny baby tree, and it's so cute. I use it in the tags in a bit. So I'm taking some of those smaller sentiments from Everything Nice, and I'm just going to jazz up these 2 tags with the sentiment I used with all my love and also just a little gift. And I'm just going to add the 2 little trees, and this tree comes with Hexatag, and it is so cute. It fits perfectly on the tag, and also I would totally use this tree die on other projects also. So I'm going to add a little white gel pen detail on these, and then we're going to move on to the next set of tags with the snowflake. I had 2 leftover images from the first video, so I decided to use the owl from the Stay Warm stamp set and just kind of put him in the middle of the snowflake, and it is so cute. Also, I'm taking one of the sentiments we just made from Everything Nice, Be Jolly, and putting that in the middle of the tag. I loved how they turned out. Here are the pieces for Mega Snowflake cover. That largest snowflake cuts out an opening in the paper that you're cutting. And then also you can cut out this larger snowflake and also this star and also a littler snowflake. So I'm going to use this panel to make my card. This is the shaker card. So I'm putting in my white snowflake in that opening. And then I'm going to adhere some acetate on the back side of the card. And I'm making sure that I'm hitting that snowflake too, so everything is nice and adhered. I'm going to take some double-sided foam adhesive to create the shaker well. So on the back side, I'll be putting my double-sided foam adhesive all around that shaker opening. I'm doing it as close as possible to the opening so I don't have to use so much of the shaker filling. And today I'm going to be using some mini gold stars. I've cut out a panel, a 2-size panel, and that'll cover the back side of the shaker mechanism. I'm going to fill in the shaker well with my mini gold stars, and when that's ready I will take out the release paper from the double-sided foam adhesive, and then I'll apply the back panel to seal that all up. I loved how this turned out. It looks so good. It's all inset and it's really nice. I'm using the smallest die cut from the set and just putting that in the middle for some added interest. I'm also using one of the sentiments from Everything Nice, and I used the wrong one. I wanted to use the sparkle sentiment, but this one works too. I stamped out one of the smaller sentiments at the bottom, and then I'm just adding some white gel pen detail. I thought I needed something more at the top, so I just added another sentiment. Include pictures in the end. So now I'm going to make a card using this same set, using the frame, which is this great sparkle cloud frame. I love it. It has little cutouts at the bottom, and you could totally use this with little unicorn agenda and it would look so cute. But I applied the white frame to a white piece of paper, and then I cut it out again to get this insert piece, and I cut out the opening for the snowflake on it. And this won't be a shaker. I'm just going to fill in all the little die cuts. I have that larger snowflake, one of the solid stars, and I'm going to finish off that snowflake with one of the smaller stars. Going to apply a sentiment from Everything Nice at the bottom. I had this extra image from the first video, so I wanted to use that. I love those little Tweety birds, so cute. And I just love the layered look of this snowflake. It looks so good in person. And then I had these trees left over from the arched snow globe cover, and I thought I would add that onto the scene. That is it. I'm calling it done. Here's a look at the 4 tags from Hexatag. I also added in that Be Jolly sentiment from Everything Nice. And here are the 2 cards made with the Mega Snowflake cover. I am really enjoying the Mega Snowflake cover die set. I really love the frame. You can use that all year. Love the glittery clouds look. Love the snowflake. Love how you can achieve different looks with it. Also, these sentiments. Can we talk about the sentiments? They look so good on a card. As always, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all have an awesome day. Stay safe, happy crafting, and I will see you tomorrow for the last of the products for the October 15th release.